Today we discuss about the arrow of time. The arrow of time means the direction of time, the flow of time. We know that the flow of time is forward or the direction of time is positive or forward direction. In a brief history of time, Stephen Hawking defines the arrow of time in three different ways, and all things are suggested the positive direction of time. The first is thermodynamic arrow of time. Thermodynamic arrow of time means the state of disorder in which we define the time. The state of disorder is always increase, or say entropy of the isolated system is always increase and the time is increase. The second is psychological arrow of time. Psychological arrow of time means the time which we feels that time is flow from past to future because we remember past, not future, and we feel that no time is flow from future to past because we have no any idea about future because we remember past. The third is cosmological arrow of time. Cosmological arrow means that our universe is always expand rather than contracting.